Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to join two brick walls. First, let's get ready. You'll need a few key tools: a sturdy trowel, a reliable level, a string line for straightness, and of course, safety glasses and gloves. Before laying any new bricks, ensure your existing wall is spotless and solid. Loose bits compromise the bond. Then, precisely mark where your new wall will meet the old one. This initial preparation is crucial for a strong, lasting connection. Now, let's create that vital connection. Carefully rake out the mortar joints on your existing wall to about 1 inch deep, creating space for wall ties. These ties are essential for structural integrity. Insert them into the prepared joints, spaced consistently, typically every 3 courses. Ensure each tie extends at least 2 inches into your new mortar bed, providing a robust anchor for the new brickwork. With your ties in place, it's time to start laying the new bricks. Apply a generous, even bed of mortar for your first course. Carefully place each brick, tapping it gently into position. Use your level frequently to ensure every brick is perfectly horizontal and vertical, aligning seamlessly with the existing structure. As you build upwards, embed the wall ties securely within the mortar beds of the new brickwork, maintaining that strong bond between the two walls. Finally, let's finish strong. Once your bricks are laid, tool the mortar joints. This compacts the mortar, creating a neat, professional appearance and improving its weather resistance. Clean any excess mortar from the brick faces right away before it hardens. Then, allow the mortar to cure. This process takes at least 7 days, during which you should protect the new work from harsh sun or heavy rain. This ensures maximum strength and durability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.